Hello friends, how are you? I'm reading editorial of The Hindu and this is published on 25 November 2016 means today and it is with caption No country for the Rohingyas. Rohingyas बांग्लादेश में रहने वाले मुस्लिम हैं वो they are being oppressed by Myanmaris. I don't know what is being going on there but वो जो कहते हैं और हो रहा है कुछ ना कुछ क्योंकि म्यांमार कहते हैं वो कहते हैं कि ये हमारे नहीं है, ये बांग्लादेश के हैं और ये बाद में आके यहाँ बसे हैं और कुछ उल्टे सीधे काम में भी उनका हाथ था। तो पहले उनके कुछ रोहिंग्यास के गलत काम थे बट अब बेचारे शांति से शायद रह रहे हैं लेकिन अब भी उन पर बहुत ज़्यादा अत्याचार हो रहे हैं। तो ज़्यादा अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा मीन्स दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट देम। तो काम एक करता है और भुगतते समय इस तरह के कुछ केस है। अब नो वन इज़ गिविंग देम एनी काइंड ऑफ शरण, यू नो, कोई ने अपने यहाँ नहीं बुलाना चाहा। बांग्लादेश ने बहुत सारे रोहिंग्यास को शरण दिए, बहुत सारे रोहिंग्यास को शरण दिए लेकिन बांग्लादेश की पॉपुलेशन वैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया के हिसाब से, तो वो अब उसका वो और गरीब देश है बांग्लादेश भी डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, तो ये उसके लिए बुरा है। तो लेट्स रीड व्हाट इट इज़ अबाउट। नो कंट्री for the Rohingyas. A new humanitarian crisis is unfolding in Myanmar after the military crackdown on Islamist jihadis. New humanitarian means concerned with concerned with to promote welfare or seeking to promote welfare of humans. आदमी की भलाई के लिए जो वो करते हैं वो humanitarian crisis unfolding means दोबारा आ रहा है in Myanmar after the military crackdown on Islamists. Crackdown means कार्रवाई, किसी भी इलीगल चीज़ों को रोकने के लिए उन पर कार्रवाई करना। इस्लामिक जिहादिस इन द रैंकाइन स्टेट होम टू मोर देन 1 million Rohingyas Muslim. The military claims it began the counter-terror operation after 3 border security posts came under attack on October 9. But since then, more than 130 people have been killed in the state and 30,000 displaced, triggering a new wave of migration. छेड़ देना a new wave of migration means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना of Rohingyas to neighboring countries. The army denies targeting civilians but satellite image taken after the start of the crackdown indicated that hundreds of buildings were burned down. Reports suggest that even those who tried to flee the country, flee मतलब छोड़ के भागना, were shot dead. मार देगा। The migrants are not welcome in Myanmar's neighborhood either. India, Bangladesh, no one is giving them any kind of shरण. They are not welcome to be here. The violence itself is not surprising given the record of persecution में अत्याचार of the Rohingyas in Myanmar. Many in the Buddhist majority country call them illegal immigrants, जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, from Bangladesh, though they have been living in Rakhine for generation. Myanmar military started a systematic persecution of the Rohingyas in the 1970s when thousands were deported to Bangladesh. The rest were stripped of citizenship, मतलब छीन लेना, of citizenship by the Janta, which often used the Rohingyas problem to drum up support for itself. Drum up mean to draw, pull, खींचना, support for itself among the Buddhist majority. What is surprising this the silence of the government led by Aung San Suu Kyi National League for Democracy, MS Suu Kyi, the country's de facto ruler, has not said much about the military operation in Rakhine or spoken for the Rohingyas cause. When her party took power in April, ending decades of military rule, many had hoped that it would signal the dawn means होता है एक्चुअली dawn का मतलब होता है ज़्यादातर सुबह, बिल्कुल सुबह से भी वाली सुबह, बिल्कुल जब सूरज आने से पहले बिल्कुल दिखता है ना कि सूरज पूरी तरह नहीं आया उससे पहले जो था सुबह वो होता है dawn. बट dawn का मतलब एक और मीनिंग है, dawn means start something. तो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट के लिए डोन यूज हुआ है दैट इट वुड सिग्नल द डोन ऑफ ए न्यू इरा, स्टार्ट ऑफ ए न्यू इरा, peace and democracy in Myanmar. But the government has been largely ineffective in tackling internal security and humanitarian issues. The operation in Rakhine shows the change of guard in government has not brought any meaningful difference to Myanmar's most disadvantaged section. True, the army still remains a powerful institution. It controls the security, defense and border ministries beside wielding considerable economic power. Wielding means use करना. Wind means use करना या रोकना. Using considerable economic power, it is also possible that the generals are escalating the conflict on their own. मतलब बढ़ा रहे हैं, escalating बढ़ाना. Even so, the government cannot remain in denial about the atrocities. Denial means मना नहीं कर सकती हो कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. इनकार about the atrocity अत्याचार. Miss M.S. Suu Kyi bears responsibility for what is happening in Rakhine now because of party rules, not the Janta. For decades, Myanmar persecuted the Rohingyas people while word ignored their plight. Plight means Durdasha. By all accounts, the situation has not changed. Thank you. That's for today. Not for today, but that's for now, guys. I hope you are liking my videos. Hit like button and share my videos. Take care. Bye bye.